Here is how to add overlays on CAPCUT PC. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to open your CAPCUT app. Now export your all of media here. Here I'm gonna add this video here to add overlays on it. Once I selected the video, now I'm gonna click on this option here. First, I'm gonna remove the background of the video. To remove the background here, I clicked on the cutout option, then click on the auto cutout. After that, as you can see, the background from my video has been removed. Now to add overlay, what I'm gonna do is, I selected this picture and here I'm gonna drag it. After dragging this media onto my video, here I click the blend option and now I'm selecting the opacity level. You can keep the opacity level wherever you want. Now I'm going to add this green screen overlay onto my video. From here I'm gonna right click on it, then click on the cut option. After that I'm gonna paste this green screen here at the top of these two videos. And from the right menu I clicked on the video option, then clicked on the cutout option at the bottom. Now I clicked on the color picker option. After that I selected the strength and the shades. So this is how you can add overlays on CAPCUT PC.